Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Lindsay here with another ThredUP unboxing tonight. Like I mentioned in Monday's video, I am doing some more purses this evening. That box was a bit rough. I just finished filming it, so I haven't done any research yet, but I don't have very high hopes that I'm going to be able to make my money back on that one. So hopefully this one is better. I was really hoping to get a Dooney Bourke box or the Tory box, but I had to settle for the name brand Handbag since that was all that was available at the time. So I'm excited to see what they sent, and also a little nervous now that they have their own Kate Spade box, their own Michael Kors, their own Coach. So I don't know what's left to put in here, but hopefully it's a good mix. If you are new here, I do post videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. So I would love to have you subscribe if you're not already. I will be bringing you some more jewelry next week. Monday, we'll probably do a 5-pound ThredUP DIY box. If there's anything from tonight's video that you'd be interested in purchasing, please send me an email. If you're a new customer and never purchased from me before, I will need your mailing address so I can get you out a PayPal invoice. And you are able to check out as a guest if you don't have an account. You can use any credit or debit card. So this box just arrived recently. It does have some weight to it, so hopefully we have some leather in here. These boxes do run $100, which is interesting. They're more expensive than the Dooney and even the Tory box. So we will see what we got. I don't see an invoice in here, but I did just recently order this one. So let's take a first look. And I am definitely seeing some Dooney in there, which is great. I do love selling Dooney. So let me take a quick thumbnail and then we'll get started. So in this box, you do get 4 handbags and 1 accessory. And this may be the accessory that's right on the top. And this is really, really cute. It is a butter soft leather little crossbody bag, and it has like a gold plated like bird emblem on it. And oh, this is marked by Marc Jacobs, so that's great. Beautiful leather. There is a little bit of marks or tarnish on the zipper pull, but no big deal there. And here is the back of it and the bottom. And it looks really, really good on the outside. I don't really see any corner rubs. And I just love that little bird. So it does have a zip around closure on the top part. And also the bird part is a magnetic closure as well. And then you have your Marc by Marc Jacobs monogram lining. So that's just the top part. It actually opens up into the main compartment as well when you go in that way. There's no slips or zips in there. It's just wide open, very, very small. And then you do have the front compartment that's a pocket there. And you have your Marc by Marc Jacobs nameplate. So this would be great, you know, just as a little concert purse. It's not going to fit a phone, but definitely big enough to put your card holder, some gum, lipstick, etc. But that is so adorable. And then you do have your adjustable crossbody strap, and very, very nice condition on that leather. So I'm excited to look into this one. That is a fantastic accessory, and really, really great quality on the Marc Jacobs leather. So very happy with that one. And our next item is a Michael Kors. And this is kind of a smaller size tote. And it is a brown pebbled leather. And you can just carry that on the shoulder. The handles look really good on the edge coat. I don't see anything missing. And then you do have the gold chain for the strap. And those look pretty good. I don't see any major wear to the hardware. And then you have the back side here, and there is a snap pocket on the back, and you do have the 4 feet on the bottom. There is some rubbing there on the corners. but nothing too major. All four corners do show a little bit of rubs, but I don't see really any markings on the outside. So that looks good. Just a little bit of scratching on the nameplate. And this one does have a zip top closure. This is a Michael by Michael Kors. And the interior looks pretty good. You've got several slip pockets in there and the zip in the back. And I don't see any tears or staining in there. And really nice zipper pull. The zipper runs perfectly. And this is a nice size, just if you want like an everyday tote. I don't think this would really fit a laptop, but it is a nice size. So I will put a price on the screen for that one. That's in very good condition overall. And our next piece is a Dooney. And this is just a monogram canvas in an olive green. And a beautiful leather shoulder strap on this one. Very soft leather. And that seems to be in pretty good shape. This one does have a zip top closure, and that is functioning. And the interior has a little Y2K style cell phone pocket, so I do think this is vintage. And that one is actually a leather pocket. And you do have your Dooney Bourke and the serial number in there. So that looks good. There are some interior marks. It's really just like a very light fabric lining in there. So it is showing some markings, but overall not bad. And then you also have a little zip pocket. And in terms of the outside, it looks to be pretty good. There are some minor corner tears, which are pretty common on this type of fabric. Just a little bit of tearing on those, but nothing too bad. I don't see really any stains. So it's a nice slouchy shoulder bag. So I will have to look into that one, and I'll put a price on the screen for that. And just two more items here. We have Rebecca Minkoff. I think I've gotten this bag before in a different color, but this is a really nice black Saffiano leather with silver hardware. And it is a top handle, and then it has a crossbody strap. And it has her branding on all of the zippers. And there's quite a bit of stuff in the pocket I'll need to clean out. But this looks, you know, almost brand new, really. There is wear on the feet, the silver plating. You can see the copper coming through, but the actual corners of the purse look really good. I don't see any major rubbing or anything like that. And the handles are in good shape. And then your strap does adjust, and it can also be removed if you just want to carry it as a satchel. And then the inside does need a wipe down, but it's not bad. It's just a black fabric interior. So this is a really nice size, like a medium size satchel. So that's really good. I think that this will do well and probably pay for a good portion of the box. Really like this style from her. It's, you know, very understated without all the tassels and everything, and it's in great condition. So very happy with that one. That and the Marc Jacobs accessory are my favorite so far. And then our last item, very interesting that this is in here. We have a vintage Dooney, and unfortunately she is completely flat. So let me see if we can get it zipped up. And it definitely needs a stuffing. I don't think I've gotten this exact style before, but I have gotten some of the vintage Dooneys in my other boxes. This is the all weather leather. pebbled black and then the brown. And you do have the lock and key there. You have the Dooney plate there. There is some wear along the Dooney emblem there. And just a little bit of marking on the pebbled leather, but it doesn't feel overly dry. It just really needs a reshaping. And you have feet on the bottom. It is missing one of the feet over there, which is not the end of the world. And then there is some pretty significant rubbing along the corners. And yeah, especially like on that one. I don't see any exposed piping, but just some heavy, heavy rubbing. So all four corners do have that. And there is some darkening along the handles, but they look to be pretty good. Very sturdy and soft. And this does have a zip closure. And there's your lock. And it comes with a set of keys. And the inside looks to be pretty good. It is a raw suede with the leather bottoms and sides. So it needs a light cleaning, but overall it is not bad in there. There is a penny. And you have your Dooney Bourke. This one was made in the USA. So this is an older one, and it has the serial number. So overall, this purse looks to be very good. Very nice vintage quality. The exterior just needs a wipe down, but the biggest issue is probably just the rubbing on the corners. But overall, this is a great purse, and it is one that you could carry crossbody. The strap does remove. So this is a really nice little travel bag, even to put your toiletries and essentials in. So that's great. These always sell very well. So I will look up this style and put a price on the screen. I will be selling the purses as is for the most part, but I will be doing a light cleaning if it needs it. And most of them do need at least a wipe down. And I will try to condition this one up a little bit on where it's a little dry on the black portions as well. So we had the vintage Dooney, all leather or all weather leather. We had the Rebecca Minkoff. That's definitely one of my favorites. We had the Dooney just canvas shoulder bag. That was a good one. We had the Michael Kors shoulder tote. And then lastly, we had the Marc Jacobs accessory. And I do have an invoice here, but this is from the box from Monday. So this one did not come with one. I'm really happy with this box. This one will definitely be a profit, just even between the vintage Dooney and the Rebecca Minkoff. So I'm really, really happy with this one. And I would definitely order another one of these before I would do the 15-piece handbag again. I may try another one if there's a sale, but just very disappointing on that box. But I'm really happy with this one. So I will definitely order another one. And I'm hoping that I can get an America's Thrift Supply purse box. I believe they will be restocking tomorrow, which I'm not recording this on Thursday, but it'll be airing Thursday. So tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern, I believe, is when they'll have their restock. So I'm hoping to get a purse box and a jewelry or two. So let me know what your thoughts were about this one and if you had a favorite item. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back Monday with a likely ThredUP 5-pound DIY jewelry. We'll have a long form jewelry for Monday. And I will see you back then. Take care.